gotta do it. You just gotta go without thinking about it. Slam your board down and go. Up on your screws, right before your wheels, just slam it down. The only thing that's gonna happen is you're gonna slide on your butt or roll over for you. Slam it. Lean way forward. Awesome. Awesome. Try it again. You gotta stay on it. Front foot. There was a boy in the back that just learned it after a couple times. Slam it down and keep going. Do it again. Do it again. You go back and do it on the half pipe. Gotta slam the front wheels. Huh? It's the first time to do that. Oh no. Yeah.
That's all that makes it fall.
Awesome, buddy. You got good balance. Let's go do it. You want to go show Daniel? Skate. Skate.